A common misconception in the smartphone industry is that good hardware alone determines a phone's caliber. Now, while a smartphone's core specifications are important, they have to go hand in hand with well-optimized software to offer a satisfying user experience. Now, a good example of the same is Oppo's F17 Pro, which marries capable specs to the company's well-tuned ColorOS 7. And that experience is only going to get better as the company recently announced ColorOS 11, which, as you might know, runs on top of Android 11. Hey guys, I'm Prateek from Mr. Phone, and in this video, I'll walk you through my detailed analysis of ColorOS 11 and talk about the subtle yet significant changes it brings to the table. Let's go. Is the latest version of Oppo's smartphone OS, and Oppo has made very subtle changes to the overall look of the UI, which is good as buyers updating from ColorOS 7 to ColorOS 11 will still feel right at home. Now that said, there are a lot of new personalization features along with accessibility enhancements, so let's talk about that first. Now, those of you who know me know that I love to customize my smartphones, and ColorOS 11 lets me do just that. Now with this update, you too will be able to use third-party icon packs on your phone, which is my personal favorite feature of the new skin. Correspondingly, you can head over to the Google Play Store, download pretty much any icon pack and use it without any problems on ColorOS 11. While ColorOS 7 does let you change the overall look and feel of your phone as it offers a built-in theme store too, ColorOS 11 just takes it up a notch. Then there's the all-new personalization tab, which aggregates all the customization features of ColorOS 11 under one roof. From here, you can do all the basic stuff like changing your phone's overall look and feel by downloading a new theme from the theme store or sprucing up the home screen with a new customized wallpaper. However, Oppo also lets you pick different accent colors for the notification tray, and you can even mix and match two different hues to make your experience that much more unique. Also, on phones that do support it, you will get the option to stylize the always-on display as well. While ColorOS 7 lets you stylize your AOD to a certain degree, and you can choose from a bunch of different preloaded ones to show up on your lock screen, ColorOS 11 elevates that experience too. Not only will you be able to choose from a bunch of preloaded AODs, you can make a custom pattern by drawing on the screen and use that as your AOD too. Now consequently, you can show your creativity right on your lock screen, which I think is really cool and is something I've not seen on any other custom skin yet. There are also 3 different dark modes on the phone now, with varying levels of intensity to accommodate everyone's taste too. Now while you do get a dark mode with ColorOS 7 as well, Oppo has fine-tuned it to suit everyone's need on ColorOS 11. So while I like deep dark blacks and correspondingly would want to use the enhanced dark mode, you might like a slightly greyish tone, and for that you can opt for a medium or gentle dark mode preset. And don't worry, the dark mode does work on third-party apps too, thereby giving you guys, the users, a unified visual experience. So you won't feel like your social apps are out of place as compared to the rest of the system UI and so on. Honestly, all this is just the tip of the iceberg, and there are a ton more customization options which you will get with ColorOS 11, including the ability to choose a font, change the shape of icons on the notification shade, and even create your own custom ringtone from scratch using customizable ringtone option, which operates like a mini music studio on your phone. Now what these customizations really do is help you personalize your smartphone experience to a whole new level and let you feel creative and empowered with your device. Now moving on, let's talk about some functional changes introduced with ColorOS 11. Starting with the launcher itself, you can now club icons easily on the home screen and even add icons from one folder to the other. I also like how you can uninstall multiple apps from the launcher all in one go, which makes clearing out clutter from your phone much simpler. Now this wasn't possible on previous iteration of ColorOS, and I'm glad it's here now. In a similar fashion, while the settings menu looks more or less the same on ColorOS 11 and 7, Oppo has streamlined various options, and you'll find all the knickknacks under the Convenience tab. Now this makes finding the setting that you're looking for that much easier, and the enhancements don't end here. With ColorOS 11, Oppo is bringing a brand new feature for its Indian audience, wherein if a phone's battery dips below 15%, then the handset will automatically send a low battery alert as well as the user's location to selected contacts. Now this is a very good feature to have in your arsenal, and I hope other manufacturers take note of it too. Now in addition, with the superpower saving mode, you can chat a whole 90 minutes with just 5% of battery. All you need to do is choose 6 essential apps that you want to use under this mode, and ColorOS 11 will optimize operations for you. Now, how cool is that? Oppo is always known to introduce charging optimizations which are not only quick but super safe as well. Now, the battery guard feature almost learns your charging routine and controls the charging speed accordingly. So even if you accidentally keep the charging on while you go off to sleep, the OS prevents overcharging and gives you a fully charged device when you wake up. This ensures utmost safety. Oppo has also done some under-the-hood tweaks to make your user experience on ColorOS 11 that much smoother and faster. For instance, using these two F17 Pros side by side, I can instantly tell that my swipes are more fluid on the F17 Pro running ColorOS 11, which is in part due to the company's new Quantum Animation Engine 2.0 and in part due to ColorOS 11's all-new Super Touch algorithm, which improves the phone's touch responsiveness. The difference was subtle, yet it greatly enhanced my usage experience. I also noticed that app load times were cut down by quite a bit on ColorOS 11, which has been made possible thanks to AI app preloading feature, which over a period of time tracks your app usage and behavior and preloads the app for you, thereby saving crucial time and giving you a sense of ease while using the device. You'll also get UI Force 2.0 with ColorOS 11, which improves the smoothness of the overall system animations. Now, in a nutshell, the time it takes for the phone to launch an app is cut down significantly thanks to AI app preloading and UI Force 2.0, and what better way to test other than putting these two phones, one of which is running ColorOS 7 and the other running ColorOS 11, through a speed test.